Problem 15 here, we've got a rectangle that has an area of 50 and a perimeter of 13. We want dimensions of the rectangle. So let's sketch a picture here. So here's our rectangle. We have a length and a width, and our area, which is length times width, is equal to 50. And then our perimeter is 30. So perimeter is distance around the rectangle, which is L and L, 2L and 2W. So perimeter is 2L plus 2W, which is equal to 30. And then let's just simplify this second equation here. Let's divide through by 2. So we get L plus W is equal to 15. So now we've got two equations here and two variables. Let's solve one equation for one variable and substitute in the other. So let's solve this first equation for W. So divide both sides by L. So that would mean that W is 50 over L. And then we can plug that guy in here. So L plus 50 divided by L is 15. So now we have one equation in one variable we can go ahead and solve here. Why don't we first multiply through by L on both sides, which is the LCD. That'll get rid of our fractions. So L times L, L squared, L times 50 over L, the L's cancel, plus 50, and then equals 15L. Let's go ahead and subtract this on both sides, move it over as a negative. So L squared minus 15L plus 50 equals 0. So since it's quadratic, again, I want all the variables on the left-hand side. So let's try and factor here. So FOIL backwards. So L squared has to break up as L and L. And factors of 50 that add up to negative 15. How about negative 10 and negative 5? Right? Negative 5L, negative 10L makes negative 15L. And 5 times 10 is 50. And so either L minus 10 is equal to 0, or L minus 5 is equal to 0. Bring the 10 over as a positive here, L equals 10. Or bring the 5 over as a positive, L equals 5. So if L is 10, and we plug that back in here, we get 50 divided by 10, which is 5. So width would be 5. If L is 5, we plug that back in here. 50 divided by 5 is 10. So your dimensions here are 5 by 10. So length 5 and width 10, or vice versa, 5 by 10.